So this term is very important for you because when you are planning to design a lighting system, then you must order this kind of lights on the market. So when you order this, you have to include these terms. Otherwise, you can't exactly find these lights on the market. In this step, you have to choose the location of the light. Based on the location of the lights, there are four kind of luminaires. One is if it is fixed on the surface roof, then it is called surface mounted luminaires. These surface mounted luminaires are mostly used where the height of the room is less than 3 meter. If it is fixed on the false ceiling, this is not the rooftop, this is a false ceiling. If it is fixed on the false ceiling, then it will be called recess mounted luminaires. These luminaires used where mostly used in industries where cable trays and viaducts are present under the roof. So to cover all these, a false ceiling is used and will fix the luminaires on the false ceiling. If it is hanging from the surface, then it will be called suspended mounted luminaires. And the suspended mounted luminaires mostly used in labs or in hospitals or in industries, mostly in factories, where the height of the room is more than 3 meter. If it is on the wall, then it will wall mounted. And these wall mounted luminaires are used in staircases mostly, and the floor mounted is on the floor, parking lot, parking areas. These areas mostly use in this kind of luminaires. So this term is very important for you because when you are planning to design a lighting system, then you must order this kind of lights from the market. So when you order this, you have to include these terms. Otherwise, you can't exactly find these lights from the market. So now let's move on to the next lesson.